Guys, welcome to another Zenler FBH. So in this particular one, what we're going to look at is coupons and if they can be applied to certain tiers inside of a course. So I've got a question coming from Anil Batra, and he says, I have tiers in a course. If someone joins via tier 1, then how can they upgrade to the next tier? Well, they can buy the next tier, but then the question goes on to ask, will the old coupons apply? Now, the old coupons will apply if you have set it to those particular tiers. So I'm going to just quickly show you how that kind of works now, so it's really clear for you. And I'll jump into the site now. So I've got a course, a bundled course that contains these three. It really doesn't matter. So I'm going to go to coupons here, and we're going to create a coupon, and we're going to go down, and you can call it whatever you like. This is the important bit. So you want to put your price and all this stuff in here in the description, the percentage off. Then we're going to go to specific product. So the specific product I'm going to pick is going to be this Surf Dude membership. So pretend this had different tiered pricing plans in it. Well, as soon as I select this specific product, you can see down here that the pricing plan has come up. So I can now select those. So in Anil's case, if when you created this coupon, you created it and you selected all of the tiers, then that coupon will apply to all of the tiers. But if you have only selected it to tier 1, for instance, then it will only apply to that particular pricing tier. So hopefully that makes it really clear for you guys to understand how coupons and applying it to pricing plans comes into effect inside of the Zenler platform.